Before we begin, just take a look at this gameplay. This is the mode I'm going to show you how to install today, and it is absolutely insane. Whether you want to play as a Spider-Man, Naruto, Iron Man, or even Hulk add-on pets, make it all possible. Look at all the powers of fighting in style. This takes GTA 5 to a whole new level, and the best part, you can do this too. So if you are ready to play GTA 5 like never before, let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will teach you how to install add-on pets in GTA 5 step by step and completely beginner friendly. First make sure you have these tools ready. Alright, here you can see that a Goku mode. You can download it here from GTA 5 mods website, and also here are the other modes of Deadpool, Spider-Man, Iron Man. You can download it from here free, absolutely free. And now we have our important mode, our add-on pet mode. You can download also here. And third, our you can download native UI. All links are in the description. So here you can see that I already downloaded it. And now if this is your first time modding GTA 5, I highly recommended watching my GTA 5 modding basic tool video. First, it show you how to set up everything like OpenIV script hook and a mods folder the right way. You will find link in the description below and the I card above. Make sure you check out before you continue. And guys, please do subscribe. Here our first subscribers, guys, came our channel. Thank you so much who subscribed my channel. Now let's get it. Alright guys, here we extract the add-on pet, and then we extract native UI. So here are they both. First we install native UI. Very simple and easy. Just drag and drop in the GTA 5 main directory. Here we go. I have already copied that and paste there, so I don't need to again copy and paste. And next we drag and drop these files, add-on pet files. Just drag and drop in the GTA 5 main directory. Very easy installation. We are done, guys. Our add-on pet mode just installed, and you can see that our add-on pet are here. I will show you how to install the Goku mode or other Marvel heroes or annual heroes. You can download it. Right guys, after you install add-on pet, now you can open as run administrator, and here you can see that our add-on pet are just open. Here it is interface. First you need to add Goku mode, so you can go there top left. You see new pad, click, and now you can see model name. So our model name is Goku, so just copy the name and paste it on the model name. So here we go. Our Goku name is on the list, and the pet type male. Stream to you select false, so just add pet. Click on add pet. Now you can see Goku pet is on listed. Now you must click on rebuild. So here you can see this. Our mode is just built. Now open the OpenIV, and the last step is we are doing. Here you can see that mode folder. If you don't have a mode folder, just watch my basic tool video. You will learn how to create it. Now you can go the mode folder, update, then x64, then DLC packs. Now you can see here the add-on pet folder. So you go there, DLC pack, then pets. Now you must open the edit mode, then open the Goku folder. Here you can see these four files. Just drag and drop in the OpenIV add-on pet folder. You can see there our Goku mode just installed in our GTA 5. So now we are going to the game. Let's go, guys. Our installation tutorial is done. We are in the game, guys. So here you can see that our Michael on the Hayabusa. So first we just proper parking our bike. Here is my bike, VIP bike. Now we just click. So how to open the add-on pad? Just click the guys L button. If you L button, you click the L button, the interface is coming. Yes, guys, here it is, the add-on selector. You can see here the Goku mode listed, name or showing, or then enter. You can see there our Goku is here, guys. Finally our Goku is in the GTA 5. Here you can enjoy it, and yes, you can see there he's saying hello, and he is warm up for the fight, and he's really enjoying the GTA 5 weather and GTA 5 lifestyle. You can see there how he was happy. Now let's go, guys. Doing something crazy things in GTA 5 as a Goku character. So we are just driving. You can see my driving skills. How was my skills? Comment down in the video. And now we are something in the action. Let's go, guys. You can see the powers. If you need Goku powers or other powers, guys, just comment down the video. I will show you, I will teach you how to these Goku powers like Kamehameha and others, instant transformation. I will also teach you how to install these tutorials, these modes in the next video. So must comment and I will teach you. You can see there I just teleported here. That's it for today's video. Now you know exactly how to install add-on pads in GTA 5 and bring your favorite characters in the GT into the game. If you found this video helpful, make sure you drop the like button and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss any new modding tutorial. Got any questions or mod requests, let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video, next modding video. Take care and happy modding. Bye bye. Peace out.